everybody. This is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Hey Gems, as promised, I am taking you over by Spa Beach, and here we are. We're walking over there. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. And here is a beautiful picture of the Vinoy St. Petersburg. And here is the view of the Vinoy Yacht Basin, St. Petersburg. Look at it. It's absolutely beautiful, right?
To the beach, let me take you out to eat, let me take you shopping, let's get it on and poppin', let me take you out and have some fun in the Florida sun, you know what I mean, enjoy life with Marlene. Enjoy life with Marlene. Here's another thing I want to say. Check out my outfit of the day. Let me show you fun. Let me show you how to have fun in the sun.
over here at this splash pad. You can see right here behind me. And we're gonna go down there. We'll get something to eat. So keep on coming with me, guys. Stay tuned for the next vlog when I take you all to Doc Ford's downtown St. Petersburg. Today's positive quote is Control, Alt, Delete. Control yourself. Alter your thinking and delete negativity. It's so much on the outside that we can't control, but what we can control, what is in our power, is to overcome, to be positive, to shift our mindset, our attitude, and above all things, tap into your faith. Channel member shout out, Love Baby, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Dave's Adventures, Boss Life Online, Sirius as a Virgo from Georgia, Miss Nexie, Tracy's Positive Corner, Tasha, Von D Gaming, That Green Vegan, James Wilson, Nate the Great Podcast 2.0, Oliver's Vlog TV Mix, Global Empire ENT Media, Always That Girl, Lyra Yellow Sword, Love Baby, and Leticia's Third Eye Point of View. If you want to be featured, join my channel membership. I am Life with Marlene, your Florida blogger. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's vlog. Be sure to subscribe if you're new and leave me a comment in the comment section below. I appreciate every single one of my Gems family, and I will see you guys on the next one.
Here's another thing I want to say. Check out my outfit of the day. Let me show you fun. Let me show you how to have fun in the sun.